Hey Luis, this is Larry Powell at Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you can generate more clients for your business in 2020. So first thing I wanted to show you is just a real quick website. This is one I built for a client here recently. So with this website, it doesn't have to be anything over the top. We're really just looking for something that's going to convert and generate new clients to your company once they come to your website. One of the most important parts with these websites is that they have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is that all the top ranked sites had at least that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So having that on here is definitely critical to helping with your guys' rankings. The other stuff that's really important for a website is that your phone numbers, and you click the call button so that these are connected to where if people are searching for your business on a cell phone, that they're able to just click on these and automatically connect with your business. It's definitely very important with conversions once people are getting to your guys' site. And then obviously contact forms are super important. People are looking for a way to put their information in so you can get back a hold of them. So having these contact forms on every page, again, very important. So that kind of covers everything for a website. Again, it doesn't have to be anything too special. What we're really just looking for is something that's optimized, meaning that it's kind of it's built so that Google will rank it well. That's really our key thing we're going after here with these websites. So looking at keywords for your business, going off of the stuff you sent me, this was just 2 of them that I found pretty quickly that are generating a lot of traffic. So Sacramento Painters is currently getting 400 searches per month just for that one search term. Drywall Sacramento, you're looking at 60 searches per month. So there's a lot of search volume there, a lot of potential customers that can be headed towards your business if you guys had a website and you guys were to move ahead with this. Being in the top spot for this search term, you can figure on getting about 33% of that search volume. So you'd be looking at, over 150 just for these 2 search terms, people coming to your guys' website. So looking at Sacramento Painters, what I wanted to kind of go through with you here is kind of give you a brief rundown of what we're looking at with Google and how we can get your business into these different spots to help it generate traffic to your business. So first thing we're looking at top here is this is paid ads. So this is a service that Google offers for people. It can get very costly in a hurry. People can spend a lot of money with paid ads. It is definitely an option if you are wanting to generate traffic right away. You can get leads this way, but it can be a lot more expensive in the long run. You're going to see a lot higher return on investment by organically getting your business ranked here in the 3-pack or GMB, and in this area here in the organic rankings. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. The first most important one is actually having a GMB for your business. And if you don't have a GMB, that's definitely something we could talk more about helping you get that set up. But this is just an example of a GMB. And what this is it allows people, again, when they're searching from their mobile devices, this is going to pop up with not only the closest locations that are offering the services they're looking for, but also it's going to pop up with highest rated. So there's a lot of different factors for how you can get your business into this, but it is definitely important for getting that phone to ring for your business. Going back over here, so again, there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into that. We talked about having a GMB as the first one. The next one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some examples of citation sources you could find would be on sites like Yellowbook, Yelp. These are great citation sources that you can get out there for free that just add the number of citations you have. Another one is actually your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in these search results is a big influence on if your business is going to be in this top 3. Now, to get your business ranked organically in these search results, when I'm looking at these search results, I'm not really worried about the Yelp or the Home Advisor pages, just because Google really prefers to rank the small business owners over these large national directory websites. So I'm not even going to look at these guys as competition for you. If you build your website out following these guidelines or suggestions that I'm giving you, you're going to have no problem passing these guys up. Looking at Jay's Painting Service Sacramento, we're going to head over to their website. So there's a couple different things I'm seeing here that makes it so that you guys could definitely pass them up in a short period of time. First off, one of the most important things is they do not have a secure website. So a lot of times with people making these searches, without that secure website, Google will actually say, hey, we don't recommend you even visit this page. So making sure you guys have that secure connection is definitely awesome. And then with the amount of content they have, they really don't have that much content on here. I'm definitely confident you guys could have a better looking site than these guys. The last thing I wanted to show you, this is a website I use called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is kind of see the back end of websites and what they have going on for what's called backlinks and referring domains. Backlinks and referring domains are very important because it's kind of what influences if your website's going to rank or not, or one of the factors that influence if your website's going to rank or not. So the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, or we'll call him Site A, and he's going to link himself to the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him Site B. And by that Site A linking himself to Site B, it in turn brings up the popularity of that Site B and makes it more popular in Google's eyes and brings it up in the rankings. So the more backlinks you have, the more potential you have for moving up in those rankings. And with those backlinks, it's also really important that they're do follow. And that do follow means that you're going to be getting what we call backlink juice back to your website, which is very important with these ranking factors. If you have any questions on anything I talked about in this video, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.